Oh my God, you were in Sons of Anarchy? Like this is, wait a minute, go into there. Yeah, like this is crazy. I didn't know they had an Indian biker. DJ, come here. Yo, this is freaking awesome, man. That's epic. Yo, he gangsta.
It's gangster right here.
Gangsta.
Gangster or not. Gangster or not.
I like it. Yo, gangsta not. I love it. Yo, this is freaking awesome.
That's fucking fun.
Yo, DJ, you're a genius, man.
Hey, we got him out of his comfort zone.
Yo, you kidding me?
And he was sober as fuck right
Yo.
there. He was sober as hell.
Yeah.
And we got Ananth out of
You know
his
that
comfort
he's
zone.
a programmer, developer.
I know,
Yo, it's
I know,
hysterical.
I know.
Yo, but you,
And we got him out of his comfort zone, man. And
I love
so
it.
this is priceless.
yo, no doubt. Yo, this is bugged out. This is funny. Ananth, we love you.